Hi guys, let's do like a little haul of like things I got squishy related. So first I got this little mushroom. It's so good. It's like it feels like a needle. It's like purple, teal, and yellow. It's clear inside. And then I got like this white one, like the white and red. And I got this one. I really like this one. So cute. It's pink and yellow. Like summer vibes. Okay, so then those are the three. And then I also got this Crazy Erin's Thinking Putty, a honey bee thing. And then I also got this Crazy Erin's Thinking Putty mermaid tail color. But yeah, that's all for the little haul. Thank you for watching and hope you have a great day. Bye.